We've got a plethora of Feds talking today. We've got the FOMC minutes coming out later today. We're going to talk about that. A major investor is shorting US bonds, causing that market to be a bit shaky. We've got Bitcoin doing some interesting things. We're going to talk about all that and more right now. Before we get going, smash that like button, subscribe, check out the Trade Cave store link in the description as well as the channel bio. We've got some brand new products out there for the t-shirts. You'll also know that the sticker is now missing, and that is because the sticker shop is now available. That link is also in the description of this video, and pretty much all the other new ones coming out here. We've got a sticker shop over on Redbubble now where the stickers are significantly less expensive. So if you want to check that out, we've got Rocket Doge, we've got the Bull Knot, we've got the Trade Cave Dragon, as well as the Trade Cave logo, all here available for a much lower price than what was available before. I'm working with Redbubble now on this one, and they are much, much more affordable than the previous sticker choices. So go ahead and check out the new sticker store on Redbubble, link in the description. Also, don't forget to check out the regular Trade Cave store to see our new shirts that are available as well there. Let's get into it. So first of all, the U.S. economic calendar. We've got how many Feds? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Feds on deck today. Be cautious, be careful. Pay attention to that. We've also got the FOMC minutes coming out at 2 o'clock Eastern time. That's that's going to be a big market mover there. So today's going to be a wild one. Be aware of those things. Stanley Druckenmiller, he's a big time investor. Lots of people idolize his investment styles, and he is now shorting U.S. bonds. Now there is a big reason for that. There's lots of things happening here that are causing some headwinds for the bonds, and they are coming down. Full disclosure: I have closed out my bond position. I took a significant loss on that one. It dropped so hard right after the cuts, and it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. And now a lot of that is because of headwinds. The market is staying strong. People are staying in stocks. On top of that, we have two back-to-back hurricanes causing issues in our economy and unemployment and other issues of that nature. Okay, and which will also drive inflation. We've got conflict in the Middle East, which is driving up oil prices, which will very quickly spike inflation. And we also had the strike for the dock workers coming through that was also going to be excessively inflationary. Now they pushed that off to January, but I promise you this, bond investors aren't impressed by being pushed off to January. That's just around the corner. And they know that that is going to be a significant negative catalyst for the market. So they are causing those things to drop fast, and they have been dropping for days and days and days and days now. So I got out of it. I may decide to re-enter later on when it seems like things have calmed down and the bonds may actually, start going up versus down. For the time being, I am out of bonds entirely. This is just way too many headwinds right now to the Fed's plan. All right, let's get into coin. Coin's making a bull flag. All right, let's go ahead right here. So it's holding right on the 21. I know it's slightly below it right now, but it's holding right on the 21 EMA right now. Okay, just above the 200-day moving average. That's great. What I like about this is this right here. That's a bull flag. Those three candles, that's a bull flag right there. That's where let me draw that a little better. Bull flag right there. You're getting smaller. We got some wick on top. The oscillator staying high. All the BX trender down here, that is staying about the same with the red. Now it is a darker red, but it's like barely moving lower. I like all of that. The volume's getting smaller as it's falling down. Ooh, this is a bull flag, and that bull flag takes us all the way back up to 66, hopefully higher. Okay. And this bull flag the last couple of days may explain why MicroStrategy has been on an absolute tear while Bitcoin has been trending down. We're finally getting a little bit of a rest today. It came down 185 it opened at today, and it's just charging right back up. I have currently been priced out of my MicroStrategy put. I need to sell some Bitcoin miners in order to have enough money to continue doing my MicroStrategy put. I am also nearly priced out of Nvidia. The prices have been going up so fast, I cannot keep up even with my gains. Even with adding over 3,500 over right about $3,500 to my portfolios, both of them, the two that I run this in, since starting, that has not been enough money to keep up with just how fast this market has been moving up. Okay, so that's what's going on there. I'm probably going to have to sell some Bitcoin miners today in order to have cash to continue to run my micro strategy. But now, this is not because I want to sell Bitcoin miners. This is not because I've lost any faith in any of them at all. It's simply because I want to continue to run my micro strategy wheel. And I can't do that because the price has gone from 112 to 190 in a very short space of time. And that has not been enough time for me to collect enough money to continue to do it without selling stock. So that's going to be a necessity there. Same thing with Nvidia almost. I'm so close to being priced out of Nvidia too. Like they're just moving so fast up. Maybe that's means I should have been buying calls. I don't know, but I wanted to run the wheel, so I'm going to continue to try to keep enough money to run the wheel on these two stocks here. Now let's quickly take a look at some Bitcoin miners real quick. What are they doing? CleanSpark's finally up a little bit. Digital up a little down a bit. Bitfarms even are up a little bit. Kind of just a slightly up and down market. You may have noticed lately that miners have been dropping with Bitcoin while MicroStrategy has been taking off. That's a bit frustrating, a bit annoying, believe me. Also, you may have missed us yesterday. I did not post yesterday. So funny story, I actually broke my new laptop and I had to take it in. I did that yesterday. Uh, yeah, expensive new over $1,000 laptop, and I broke the screen on Monday. So yesterday I was dealing with that, so no video, and I'm going to be out without that particular setup here for probably 3 to 4 weeks now. I'm on my old setup now, so fortunately I still have my old laptop. So I brought that around with me, and I'm using that to do Trade Cave right now. So that was why we were out yesterday. No video yesterday. I will be getting back to regularly scheduled programming here starting today and going forward, but I just wanted to bring that up. That's why I was out yesterday. Anyways, with that said, please like, comment, subscribe, check out the Trade Cave store and the new sticker store link in the description, and have a profitable day.